In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert date field in PDF with Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. In the upper left corner, click the menu and choose Open. Navigate to the PDF where you want to add a date field, select it, and click Open again. Give it a moment to load so Acrobat can display all the pages clearly. Once your file opens, look to the left-hand side for the Tools pane. Scroll through that panel and find Prepare a Form. Click it, and then choose Create Form. Acrobat will switch into form editing mode and may scan your document for any existing form fields. That's normal and can save time, but you can still add your own fields exactly where you need them. With the form editor active, look again to the left-hand side for the form tools and select Date field. Your cursor will change to indicate you're placing a field. Click on the spot in your PDF where you want the date to appear. If it lands slightly off, don't worry. You can drag to reposition it and pull the corners to resize. Use the alignment guides that appear to keep things neat and consistent with nearby text or fields. After placing the field, double-click it to open its properties. Here's where you fine-tune everything. In the Appearance tab, adjust the border, fill color, and font size so the field matches your document's style. In the Position tab, set exact width, height, and coordinates for pixel-perfect placement if you're working from a template. In the Format tab, choose Date as the category and select the date format you want, such as DD, YY, or DD, depending on your region or form requirements. The Actions tab lets you define what happens on events like mouse clicks. Most forms don't need changes here, so it's fine to leave it as is. You can also review other tabs, like General, to give the field a clear name that makes sense if you're managing multiple fields. Take a moment to ensure everything looks consistent across your form. Once you're done customizing, close the Properties window. On the left-hand side, click Send if you plan to distribute or route the document right away using Acrobat's Send options. Then click Save to make sure your changes are written to the file. Choose a destination and file name that makes it easy to find later. That's it. Your PDF now includes a properly formatted date field, ready for anyone to fill in accurately and consistently.